What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new vlog on the Lambo. I'm quite tired. I got like 5 hours of sleep last night. It is 12 o'clock at night right now. Show you guys. I'll block out the picture. 12 o'clock, July 26th. We are on our way right now to visit L&D Solutions. We're gonna drop off our seat, our dashboard. We're gonna be visiting ForeignBuilds. We're gonna be visiting L&D or LNC Motorsports and Vision Exotics. So Real Life Exotics, Vision Exotics. It's one guy. So we're gonna be visiting all of them. We're gonna be dropping off the seat, dropping off the dashboard. That stuff's gonna be repaired. We're gonna get it back here in a couple of, maybe a week or so. L&D's turnaround time is super quick, so I'm super pumped for that. If you guys can support me by smashing that subscribe button, smash that like button. I'm thanking you guys for all the support and love on this Lamborghini build, all the donations, everything like that. We have a new merch drop coming very, very soon. I'm super pumped. Man, I want to drive this car more than anyone in this world. I'm telling you, dude, I'm so beyond pumped. But anyways, we got the Sienna loaded up. We got a little Toyota Sienna that's gonna scoot us down to California. We got that sucker loaded up, got everything in there, and I'm super pumped. Let's go ahead and head down. We're gonna close the garage, we're gonna turn off the lights, and head our way down to Cali. We got about a 12-hour drive, so let's start mobbing. I gotta make sure it closes all the way because I don't want anyone in there. As you guys can see, we got the seat right there, the dash right here on the floor, and I did want to say, if you guys do enjoy this kind of vlog style content, we can be pumping probably 3 to 4 videos a week. That's gonna be a tough one, but man, I enjoy this vlog style content so much more. You guys don't even know I love fixing cars, but I just hate rushing it, you know? But guys, without further much jabbering, let's head on down. Look at this. Sheesh. You know what this is? This is real shuba.
A lambskin.
Boys, we are now in Cali. It is 7:24 a.m. and what city are we exactly in? Give me a second here. We are in Hornbrook, California. So apparently the next city over has some breakfast. We're probably gonna stop by, get some breakfast, and then mob down to L&D, meet up and give them the bags and all that stuff. And whew, man, I don't know about you guys, but I can't sleep in cars, so I'm exhausted. Oh, we're ready to rock. I don't know if you guys saw the whip that we took, but it's this beauty right here. I ain't got a truck right now. And guess what happened? So I'm guessing, I'm not sure exactly what happened just yet, but I'm guessing the catalytic converter or something clogged up, or this, I don't know what this is called exactly, I forgot. I got a little brain fart. But it like clogged up and it like popped right there, you see that? So now, when it like, look at that, dude, it bent that whole thing, is crazy. So I might have to stop by a muffler shop and get that like deleted, yeah, because listen how it sounds like. Hit her. Ooh. Give it.
Sounds better than the M6.
That didn't sound how it is. Alright boys, we're off. This is ridiculous. Cam. It's hard to see my baby like that, you know. I have no idea.
Yeah, have fun doing those in the parking lot.
Oh, they're a pain in the ass. What?
The rear green plugs on that. Yeah.
So I'm probably just gonna chop it off. He's saying that's not the problem, but I doubt it's the problem as well. But if I chop it off or leave it like this, it's not gonna make a difference in the sound at all. So we're gonna chop it off. We're probably gonna go to O'Reilly's, get a quick scanner, scan the sucker, see what codes pop up, and then maybe buy some plugs and see if that does anything. Besides that, I haven't got any tools or anything, so I'm kind of left in a pickle. So I don't know, we'll see. I mean, we made it to Cali, but we haven't made it to Sacramento, so first thing I'm gonna do with this, change the spark plug wires, because apparently my dad said they've never been changed ever since 185,000 miles ago, so I'm hoping for the best, but I hate mechanical work, especially on the go. Like, I just hate it. Okay, that was pretty easy to remove it, but I'm not fully convinced that these are like OEM Toyota. Maybe, I don't know. I don't work on Toyotas. We're gonna cross our fingers, hope for the best. Because if this is not it, I am not excited to do any more work. Fire up. Alrighty boys, I'm very happy now. Changed the battery, or sorry, took the terminal off the battery, waited 5 minutes, code clears, and the car's running much better. I think the rest of the problem is gonna be our front coil packs and the 6 spark plugs. We're not gonna change that right now. First of all, I have no access to the spark plugs in the back. I don't have special keys to reach to them. And the coil packs here are like 90 bucks a piece, so that's like 270, like 300 bucks just for 3 coil packs. So what we're gonna do is just coast our way down to Cali or to Sacramento right now, and then probably use a car there and maybe drop this thing off for some repairs during that time being, because we got a lot of stuff to do and we got no time to waste. Unless this thing magically starts working, you know? Because
Toyota after all.
It's a Toyota after all, literally, like, you know, you don't know with these cars, but let's hop in and get some food. I'm hungry. Guys, so we just pulled up to ForeignBuilds. I cannot be more excited than I am right now, because you guys remember that little piece of, you know, right in the frame where the lower suspension mount mounts to? That piece was busted out of my Huracan, and ForeignBuilds is the person that has that piece, because he had a Huracan Performante and it was wrecked on the other side, and he replaced that piece. He bought this whole frame rail assembly, which we'll show you guys here in a little bit. He bought the whole piece for I think like 14K or something, dude. It was crazy priced, and he cut out that piece that he needed, and he basically doesn't need the rest. And he hit me up, he's like, Tim, I got it. Dude, let's go check him out. Let's go see what's up. This is like the #1 reason I love YouTube, is because I have an outreach to people like this. Like, I don't know this guy, I don't know anything, but we're friends. Literally, like, he's invited me to his shop. Look at this. Guy's chilling, rapping a G-Wagon, you know, like after work after work. Anyways, so yo, what's up, bro? Tim?
Fonzie.
Nice to meet you, bro. Anyways, we chatted about the frame rails.
The frame rails, yeah, it's right there, man.
Oh, that thing looked dusty. How's the Performante? You saw that thing already gone, or what's with it?
Yeah, it's gone. I mean, we sold it about 3 weeks ago. We still got this whole frame piece left, but you
know what's crazy, bro? That you bought all this for this. Like, look at this. Look, it's dusty. It's been sitting in the stores. Look, it's brand new.
Yeah. So the reason for that is because they don't sell them actually individual pieces, even though they have individual part numbers, but they don't sell them in individual pieces. You pretty much have to buy the whole complete. The only way you can buy like individual is if you actually find like a Huracan part out, and you can go and cut it out.
Yeah. Yo, so in this situation, I'm lucky and he's halfway lucky. Yeah. Anyways, I'm the one that gets the deal here, because, but look at this. So you guys, that was kind kind of loud. So you guys can see, this is the piece I need. My piece here is broken and this piece is ripped out the vehicle. As you guys can see on this side, this is gonna be the passenger side of the vehicle. I need the driver's side. It's already been cut out and repaired. You know, the performance was repaired with this piece here and then one more piece. And apparently the frame guy did such amazing work that you literally cannot tell anything, nothing, you know, structurally was compromised. It was literally a perfect repair. And once it's seam sealed, then it's just crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and try to replicate the same thing on our Huracan. I have it, like I told you guys earlier, I don't do aluminum welds, but I do have an aluminum welder that does all my rims, all my stuff like that. So he's gonna be out here. He's the one that's gonna cutting it. He's the one that's gonna be cutting it. I think I'm gonna replicate this right here, but we'll see. You know, we'll see when we're at the house and cutting it. I'm super pumped because literally this is the only piece that was scaring me. Like this piece, I was like, dude, I don't want to spend. How much did you spend for this? Like 8, 9K, something like that?
Yeah, it was around 6,000, and all I end up using is just that little section.
Yeah. So 6K is because you got a good deal on it though.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
you basically waited like months for it, something like you got it from UK or something.
UK, yeah,
so,
UK.
Dude, what a blessing. Anyways. There's the magical Heritage Edition, what we've been always seeing on Instagram, bro. It's kind of nice to see it all in person now.
One of a kind.
So it's funny because we've been kind of like chatting back and forth on Instagram, and I just randomly tossed out the idea of like, I'm like, hey Fonzie, what if we pair up and give away this M4 Heritage? You know, there's only 250 of these made, and I just found out something today. So the 3 M colors is gonna be the light blue, dark blue, and red. So that's the 3 colors these Heritage Editions come in, and there's only 250 made of each color. It's pretty sick. This car is really, really unique. You know, I've rebuilt an M4, but this one here is very beautiful. It's super sick. The interior is different than anything you really see. Like, look at that. You got the M Heritage here. You got a bunch of trim and stuff like that that comes with, you know, Heritage, completely different. Look at this, Fonzie here pulled out a piece. Look at this.
Check out the cover. It has 3 colors inside the carbon.
Can you put a flashlight to it?
Yeah, there you go.
Look at that.
And it also says 1 out of 750, which means 250 per each color.
Per each color, yeah. So I literally threw out the idea. Imagine, like, you know, if this goes well enough, I'm sure we can work something out. Like, we can do BYB X ForeignBuilds merch, you know, make some hats, make some stuff, and get some going, bro. Like, this thing is sick. Let's take a quick look at the repair. Just out of my own curiosity, I want to do a little BYB approval on the repair, because if we're doing a giveaway, this thing got to be fixed mint. So I want to take a look at what's going on here, just see if I can spot anything in general. The car's not fully fixed, so the frame repair is revealed. And if you see a frame repair that's revealed and you can't notice anything, that means it's a good job. So let's take a quick look at what's going on here. Bro, this looks mint, I'm not gonna lie. The cutting on the hood looks beautiful. Doesn't look like it got any, because these hoods factory, they're supposed to come matte like this. So that's matte, it's clear coat here. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we can give this car away. Approved? Approved. BYB approved. So I mean, if this gets enough activity, I'm dead serious about doing a giveaway, and I'm pretty sure we can work something out, right?
Work something out.
I lose, like, that's one of my things that I want to start. I don't know why. I just love giving back, and an M4 is something that's legit. I don't, you know, that's something, especially a Heritage. You know, people give away a bunch of E46, yada yada, but this is like something rare. This is a collector piece, literally. Like, if you think about it, you know.
This is only going up in value, especially today's day. Yeah. Everything on the car.
The window sticker to the car. It's
there you go. Let's grab it.
The window sticker back in, what year is this thing? 2020. Oh, back in 2020. But anyways, the window sticker on this thing is, let's take a look at here.
It's a brand new car, man. It's literally a brand new car.
So look at this. So we got the window sticker blue, the color, which is pretty cool because it came on the E46 M3 as well. Let me see this, M Heritage Edition, $9,000 option. It's a $9,000 option. Window sticker, $86,795. Do the tax to that, add 10%, add about $9,000 to this right here price. You're looking at $95,000 sales tax, registration, literally a $100,000 car. It's like a $100,000 car right there. So guys, if you guys are as serious as I am and want to see a M4 Heritage Edition giveaway, kind of a collab with ForeignBuilds, go ahead and hop onto ForeignBuilds YouTube channel. First of all, smash the subscribe button. Their content is actually pretty darn epic for their amount of subscribers. Like, I'll show you guys this E63 AMG S, I think it is. It's a Cannonball. It was the one that was on Wiki's channel, or however you say that. But anyways, this thing just blew my mind. The repair on this car, it just completely mind shattered me. But before we get too far ahead, go to ForeignBuilds YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment on his latest video. Say M4 giveaway, something along the lines of M4 giveaway. Like, comment anything, feel free to do your thing. Because if there's enough participants, if there's enough people that are actually interested in it, I'm fully in, and I think I got Fonzie's approval as well. Let's go ahead and take a look here. It's still a project, obviously. It's not fully complete, so there's a lot of work that still needs to be done, but shining a little light in here, you can see that this is basically made out of 2 cars. Like, it's mental to look at this and realize that every single gap is perfect, that everything in this vehicle like came together so well. Like, whew, I'm mind blown. You know, I swap a quarter panel and I sit back and like pat myself on the back, you know, like, oh, that's cool. But look at this. Look at this. Boom, welded here. This is a new door. Basically, the parts car is right there. Oh, Fonzie got a flashlight. Look at this. It's kind of dark here, so the parts car's over there, and it was chopped in half, and the rear is over here. Crazy. And the reason why they're not assembling it right now is because they're gonna Scotch-Brite everything, seam seal well, do everything, and paint this right here. They don't want, you basically, by the end of this car, like by the time this car is finished, it's gonna be all one color, inside out. It's gonna be OEM to a point where you won't tell anything.
Probably gonna be better than OEM.
It literally, like, dude, look at this. Okay, watch this, look. Ready? Hang on. You try, it's like, that's insane. I'm literally mind blown. People like this right here, like my guy Fonzie here, make me kind of step up my game, you know? I think I do sometimes good work, but bro, it's insane. But anyways, I want to give a huge shout out to this guy once again for basically giving me that frame piece.
Yeah, luckily we had it, you know, and you know, we got the Performance hit on the passenger side, you got it on the driver's side, so we can share one frame, you know, for 2 cars.
That's YouTube, bro. That's literally what happens when you get people, like, you have an outreach. It's the best thing in the world. So shout out to every single one of you guys. Guys, to say the least, this Cali trip has been quite eventful. So I'm gonna start with the bad news. We got bad news and good news. The bad news first is that we basically blew the motor on this car. We didn't really know up until now, so that's why in the beginning of the video we were just kind of troubleshooting what's going on. But this thing blows a bunch of smoke. I think cylinder 2, the oil ring is busted on it, and it's like low compression because it's weak. We're gonna have to be explaining that to Pops when we go home. But that's a whole different story, and it's gonna be most likely a different video if we make it home or not, because this is gonna be our ride home. We have the ForeignBuilds frame rails in here, and they need to be transported home. But guys, in the next episode on this channel, we're gonna have a very exciting video, because in that video, we're gonna be starring this over here. We're currently at LND Solutions. We dropped off our seat and dash airbag, as you guys can see. We got a Huracan here, we got a Aventador over there, and all that. More of this video is actually to come on the next video, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you guys enjoyed these vlogs. Once again, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and support the boys. Follow on Instagram, BYB Tim. Catch you guys later.